select the video to create proxy, then right click on it, go to proxy, then click create proxies. Now choose the format, right? I'm going with QuickTime. Set the preset, I'm going with low, you can try with medium. If you want a watermark, then you can tick it. Set the destination next to original media in proxy folder, or you can set as you want, right? Then click OK. Creating proxy jobs. Now you can see here in Adobe Media Encoder, in this section, right, proxy is being created, right? Let it finish. Now move back to Premiere Pro, drag this video and place in V1, right? Now you are seeing here this watermark, right? Now click this plus button and you are seeing here toggle proxies. Just click it and bring it here, then press OK. Right now toggle proxies is on, so we are seeing here watermark. Now you can edit the video, right? But if you want to see or want to turn off this proxy and see the original video in original quality, then you can click it and watermark is gone, right? Thank you very much.